How to freeze frame in CapCut PC. So if you want to freeze frame in CapCut PC, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your CapCut application. After opening your CapCut, you can go with a new project. After that, go with import, which is on the upper left, and select a video. Once you've selected the video, you can drag and drop the video. After drag and drop, now you need to select the part of the video where you would like to make a freeze frame. So for example, if I want to freeze, then I'll just simply move my cursor right there, select the video, keep the cursor right there where you would like to freeze frame. And here on the top, you will have all of these options, right? So you just need to simply go with an option of freeze, which is right here. Click on it. Now, if you play the video, then that the frame has been freezed. So that's how you can freeze your frame in CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.